They are trying to make the map more gay. But the map is not gay enough, so it has to be changed. They call it querying the map. The truth shall set you free. Astral.
What is queering the map?
So I think we were trying to make the maps more gay.
Literally? How do you make a map more gay?
I mean, especially
or
with
gay
AI,
at all?
Since the age of cartography, we've had pretty good maps, but maybe they weren't gay enough.
Slowly but surely, the LGBTQ plus community is gaining i-represented kona lokho across umhlaba wonke, because understand ukuthi with the introduction of querying the map, you will be able to locate the gayness within your community so that uzokwazi ukuthi bangaki and uzokwazi ukuthi ukephi, so that you can be able to connect naye if you need a friend. The system that they have created enables you, Mtomnyama, to be able to locate the gays within your community and read their stories, their hopes, their dreams, their nightmares. Understand ukuthi you will be able to get in connection nabo. All you have to do is have a laptop, a tablet, or a phone and go to your browser and type ukuthi querying the map. Press search and the first page evelayo iyona. Once you open the website, it will then take you to a map and all the dark spots are the gays in your community. Understand ukuthi kwi-map yase South Africa, we can clearly see ukuthi there are no gays in Lesotho. Hlakanipha-ke Mntomnyama and understand that the system is still new. That means every day iya-update. But as of umhlaka 18 March 2026, the system ithi there is only 2 gay people in East London. We also find that in a city or a town between Potchefstroom and Shelley, there are 2 gay people that have been allocated to live there. And we also find that in an area called Ramsgate, there is a gay person there. As you can see, in Utongati, there is no gay person, but in Verulam, there is one. Understand ukuthi between Phoenix, Inanda, and KwaMashu, we can see that this area near the coast, there are 2 gay people there. And we also find that in Durban North, we find 3 gay people who live there. And then in an area between Claremont and Pinetown, we see 2 gay people living there. So in areas between Ichasworth and Umlazi, nope, in Umlazi, allegedly, there is no gay person living there. But in an area near Chatsworth, we find there is 1 gay person over there. Now, moving onwards towards the further regions, we find that in an area called Ikloof, there is 1 gay person there. We also find that in the areas of Egoli, that includes Midrand, Itembisa, Germiston, and Alberton, and other areas on this side, there are many gays there. I'm just hoping using the system, using the map, they will be able to unite and form a solid community. And of course, last but not least, let's not forget the area of Mamelodi. We find that there are many gays in that area. I'm just hoping ukuthi when abantu go to the map and find areas near them, find gay people near them, they will be able to unite, kuhlanganwe, and form a community. This querying the map was meant to unify the LGBTQ plus community.